Open up the piano and let's play the song How Great Thou Art. So the first chord, we are going to have our G major. We're going to put our thumb 5 steps up from middle C. These are middle C, C, D, E, F, G. Okay, so we're going to put our thumb on G, high G, G, finger 3 on B, finger 5 on D. Now this is our G chord. And because we want to utilize our left hand, so we're going to, this time round, we're going to have our finger 5 on G. Okay, so this is our G chord. Okay, next chord, we're going to have our C chord. We're going to move our thumb to C major, C, E, G, left hand finger 2. This is our C chord. Next chord, we have our D major. We're going to have our right hand 1 step up, D. And since we are going to play in the key of G, we have a F sharp as well as a A. And then for our left hand, it's going to be a thumb. This is our D major. Okay, next chord, we have our A minor, where we're going to put our thumb on A, finger 3 on C, finger 5 on E, and left hand we can activate finger 4 on our A note. This is our A minor. And last note, last chord, we're going to have our E minor, where we're going to put our right hand thumb to E, G, and the B. Okay, finger 1, 3, 5, and left hand we're going to stretch up to high E. This is our E minor. And if you would like to stretch to low E, gives you a fuller tone. If you prefer that, is okay also, no problem. High E or low E, no problem. Okay, as long as you can reach the note when the chord is there. Okay, so we're gonna start with our verse 1. The playing pattern for this song is gonna be, we're gonna keep it simple. We're just gonna go both, right, right, right for full bar. And there's a part where it's a half a bar. It's gonna be a both and right. We're gonna start with verse 1, G chord slowly. Oh Lord, my G chord, God. When I in C chord, awesome wonder. Consider half a bar of G, all the half a bar of D. Woes thy hands have 1 bar of G, made. I see the G chord stars. I hear the 1 bar of C, rolling thunder. Thy power through half a bar of G, out the half a bar of D, universe this half a bar of G, half a bar of D. Then sings my. Then we move on to our chorus already. Okay, so let's play verse 1 smoothly. Ready? 1, 2, and we G chord.
My God, when
C chord.
I in awesome wonder,
Half a bar of G, half a bar of D, back to G. 1 more time and G. To C. Half bar coming up to G, to D, to G, back to D. Let's move on to our chorus slowly. Then sings my, half a bar of G, so my, half a bar of C, Savior God to 1 bar of G, D. How great thou, half a bar of A minor, art, half a bar of D. How great thou, half a bar of G, art, half a bar of D. Then sings my, half a bar of G, so my, half a bar of C, Savior God to half a bar of G, D, half a bar of E minor. How great thou, half a bar of A minor, art, half a bar of D. How great thou, 1 bar of G, art. Many half bars. Let's try chorus smoothly. Ready? 1, 2, 1, 2,
Then
3,
sings
G.
my soul,
C.
my Savior God,
G.
to thee. How great
minor.
thou art,
D.
how great
G.
thou art.
D. Back to
Then
G
sings
again.
my soul,
C.
my Savior God,
G.
to thee.
E minor,
How great
A minor.
thou
D.
art, how
Back to G
great
full
thou
bar.
art.
let's go verse 2. And when I, G chord, think that God his, C chord, Son, not sparing, sends him to, half a bar of G, die, half a bar of D, I scarce can take it, one bar of G, in, that on the G chord, cross, my burden, C chord, gladly bearing, he bled and half a bar of G, died, 2, half a bar of D, take away my, half a bar of G, sin, and then half a bar of D, and then we go back to chorus again. Okay, so let's go verse 2 smoothly. Ready, 1, 2,
And
3,
when
G
I
chord,
think that God
C,
his Son of sparing,
half a
sent
bar of
him
G,
to die,
half a bar of
I
D,
scarce can take
back to
it
G,
in. Then
again,
on the cross, my
C,
burden gladly bearing, he
half a bar
bled
of
and
G,
died
half a bar of
to
D,
take away
half a
my
bar of G,
sin.
half a bar of D. Verse 3 right now, which is exactly the same as verse 1 and verse 2. When Christ shall, one bar of G, come with shout of, one bar of C, acclamation, and take me, half a bar of G, home, what, half a bar of D, joy shall fill my, one bar of G, heart. Then I shall, one bar of G, bow in humble, C chord, adoration, and then pro, half a bar of G, claim my, half a bar of D, God, how great thou, half a bar of G, art, half a bar of D. Let's play verse 3 smoothly. Ready, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3,
When
go.
Christ shall come with shout of acclamation and
Half a bar of
take
G,
me home,
to D,
what joy shall
to G,
fill my heart. Then
again,
I shall bow in
C,
humble adoration and
half a
then
bar of G,
proclaim,
to D,
my God, how great
half a bar of G, to D. Alright, now let's jam the full song, How Great Thou Art. Now the jamming sequence is going to be verse 1 to chorus, verse 2 to chorus, verse 3 to chorus. Okay, so after every verse, we're going to go back to chorus. Okay, we're going to start with G. We're going to put our right hand thumb on high G, and then we have our finger 5 on G. Okay, verse 1. Ready, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3,
Oh
go.
Lord, my God, when I in awesome wonder consider all the worlds thy hands have made, I see the stars, I hear the rolling thunder, thy power throughout the universe display. Then
Chorus
sings
now.
my soul, my Savior God, to thee. How great thou art, how great thou art. Then sings my soul, my Savior God, to thee. How great thou art, how great thou art.
Verse
And
2,
when
go.
I think that God his Son of sparing sent him to die, I scarce can take it in. Then on the cross, my burden gladly bearing, he bled and died to take away my sin.
Chorus,
Then
and we
sings
go.
my soul, my Savior God, to thee. How great thou art, how great thou art. Then sings my soul, my Savior God, to thee. How great thou art, how great thou art.
Verse 3, and we go.
I shall come with shout of acclamation and take me home. What joy shall fill my heart? Then I shall bow in humble adoration and then proclaim, by God, how great thou art.
Chorus,
Then
and we
sings
go.
my soul, my Savior God, to thee. How great thou art, how great thou art. Then sings my soul, my Savior God, to thee. How great thou art, how great thou art.
Last line.
How great thou art, how great thou art. How
Last line
great
again.
thou art, how great thou art.
And the song on G. Hey there friends, I hope you find this tutorial helpful and thank you for jamming with me over here. Now if you've got a song that you would love to learn, drop me a suggestion in the comments below and I will do my best to create a tutorial for you. Thank you once again for rocking out with me. Now don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more piano tutorials over here. Until next time, stay musical and keep on jamming.